Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the carrier supports eSIM for your exact device and active plan. This prevents wasted steps. Once done, make sure you have the QR or activation code, plus your device IMEI. Connect to stable Wi-Fi or cellular data, then restart the phone. Power off fully and back on. After reboot, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to reset radios and watch for a carrier settings prompt. Install it if offered, because it often enables eSIM provisioning. You now scan the QR code or manually enter the activation code. Precision matters, so type characters exactly. If a previous eSIM profile exists, delete it first to avoid conflicts, then add the new profile. Update the phone OS to the latest version because carrier provisioning often depends on system patches. If activation stalls, open the carrier app or settings and confirm APN and IMS settings. Incorrect values block voice and data. Keep the phone on the Wi-Fi or cellular network. You finish by doing a network settings reset if activation still fails. This clears cached connections while keeping your files. After reset, retry adding the eSIM profile and reboot. If it still won't activate, contact the carrier with your IMEI, EID, and any error text so they can check provisioning on their side. One key troubleshooting tip. Try the same eSIM on another compatible device or insert a working physical SIM. This quickly shows whether the problem is your device or the carrier account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.